Hello students, so today also we will be continuing with the exercise 14a, but we will be looking for the question which is different from the previous question. Okay, so now we have already finished. I said you have to complete till question number 6. Okay, I finished few questions and I have shown you the steps. So now we will be solving. Let us move to question number 7. Okay, we'll be trying question number 7 from exercise 14b. So we have the table here. Here I will make the table nicely. Okay. Question number 7.1. So we have class interval. Okay, this is the given class interval. So given class interval, you will see from here we have 160 to 162. Next we have 163 to 165. Next we have 166 to 168. Next we have 169 to 171. Next we will having 172 to 174. Then we have the frequency also. Frequency. So frequency for first one it is given 15. For second one it's given 118. For third one we have 142, 127, and we have here 18. 15, 118, 142, 127, and 18. Now class interval 160 is to 162, 163 to 165, 166 to 169 to 177, 171, 172 to 174. So now what we have to do here also, we have to find the mode of the mode. Here also in this question we have to find what given, find the mode or height of the maximum number of students. Mode or height of the maximum number of student. So here frequency distribution of the height of the student is given, and mode height of the student we have to find. Means what? We have to find the mode. Yes, so you will, so before that you will see here class interval. You have to use the same rule, but if you see 160 to 162. Next is starting from 163. In the previous case we need to have 0 to 10. Again starting from 10 to 20 like that. But here it's starting from one greater number. So that case, if this is the case, what we are going to do, we will be finding the conversion factor. Okay, conversion factor. If this is the case, if this is not continuous. So in order to make what? Class interval continuous. Interval continuous. OES, continuous class interval. This is given, we have to make the continuous. So now how to we take for continuous? You just take for second class interval, you take the lower limit. So what is the lower limit? 163 minus, just take the upper class interval of previous one. Okay, 162. You can always take like this. You can take what? Lower, you can take this one also, 166 minus 165, or 169 minus 168 divided by what? You have to divide with 2. Okay, now see how much you will get. 163 minus 162, you will get 1 by 2, or you are getting what? 0.5. So we got conversion factor how much? 0.5. So what we will do, if we will subtract 0.5 from this one and add 0.5 in the upper limit, you will get the continuous. So let us subtract 160 minus 0.5. So you will get what? 159.5. Because if you add 8.5, you will get 160, right? So next, to 162, I say subtract from this one and add in this one. So you will get what? 162.5. Next, subtract from this, you will get what? 162.5. Subtract 0.5, 8 here, 0.5, you will get 165.5. Subtract from this, you will get 165.5. Add here, you will, this conversion factor, you will get what? 168.5. Again subtract here, you will get 168.5. Add here, you will get 171.5. Subtract from this, you will get, what you will subtract? Conversion factor. So subtract 172. You will get what here? 171.5. Add here, you will get 174.5. 5. If you will see now, it is regular, okay, continuous, 159.5 to 162.5. Next, again starting from this, again ending here, again starting from that number. So now it is continuous. Next, what you have to look for? What maximum? Follow the same step as you to solve in the previous question, okay. So maximum, okay, frequency, which one is maximum, greatest one, 142, right? In the question 142. So what you will write? Maximum frequency equal to how much? 142 corresponds to class interval correspond to class interval. Which one? This is the class interval, right? All this is your class interval. So correspond to what? Correspond to this class interval. We will write class interval. We will take regular, okay, continuous one, not this one, okay. So we will take what? 165.5 to 168.5. So this is our what? Therefore, model class will be model class equal to 165.5 minus 168.5. Okay, so 165.5, 168.5. Now, what we have to find? A lower limit. Lower limit of model class is this one, right? You will write lower limit is equal to 165.5. H class size, so upper limit minus lower limit. Let us see, 162.5 minus 159.9.5. Subtract, how much you will get? You will get 0. So here 12 minus 9 you will get 3. So we are getting 3, right? Next, class size. Then next, what? F1 will be frequency of model class. So model class is this one. Frequency will be what? 142. F0 will be before that, so 118. Next, F2 will be how much? You will get what? Just after this. So this is F1, F0, and after this is F2. So F2 we got 127. Mod will be what? Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L will be how much? L is equal to this one, 165.5 plus F1 how much? 142 minus F0, 118. 2F1, so 2F1 we have how much? F1 will be 2 into 142 minus F0, 118 minus F2 we have 127. Close the bracket. Into 8 we have here, it will see 3. So 165.5 will be same plus 142 minus 118. So 12 minus 8 we will get 4. Here 3 minus 1 we will get 2. So 24 we are getting here. Next, 142 into 2. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2. Both are minus, 8 8 plus 7 15. Now 1 plus 8 plus 7 15, 2 1 3 1 4. Okay, then 1 plus 1 2. We are getting this one. 7 plus 8 15, 2 1 3 1 4. 1 plus 1 2 into 3. Bracket is there, you will put the bracket. 165.5 plus 24 by 24 will be 24. Subtract 14 minus 5 we will get 9. Here 7 minus 4 we will get 3. 2 minus 2, so we are getting 39. Then 3. Next, try to cancel. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So it will be 165.5 plus 24 by 13. Divide. Let us see how much we are getting when we will divide 24 by 13. So 24 divided by 13. So 13 1 ja 13, you will get what? 4 minus 3 1. Here you will be getting 1, right? So we are getting 1 point, so you will get 0. So how many times it will go? 8 times. Okay, 13 8 ja 4, 8 3s are 24. 8 1 ja 8 plus 2 10. So we are getting here 8, right? next point is there, so it will be 0. How many times? 8, 6 times. Okay, so we take what? 165.5 plus 24 by 13, we are getting 1.86. We will write here 1.86, edit, you will get how much? 6. 8 plus 5, we will get 13. Next 5, 1, 6, it will be 6, 6, 1. So we are getting 166.37. Okay, so we are getting 1. Let us add it nicely. We have here 165.5. Here we have 1.86. Letter A, 6 will be 6. 8 plus 5, so 13. Point will be point 5.617, right? We are getting 6 to 167. Sorry, it will be what? 167.36. So I hope you are clear with this. Let us move to next question. We will be having, we will be using the same method for the next question. So conclusion, you can give what? Model height of the maximum number of students. Here you will give what? Model height. Sorry, what they are asking in question, find the model height of the mix. So model height will be what? This will be your answer, model height. This will be your answer, okay? So you write equal to 167.36. So now I will be moving to question number 6. Okay, question number 6. So let us see question number 6. We will be trying question number 6. So question number 7 I have done just now. So 8 will be your homework. Now I will be doing question number 9. Here we have to question mode of the frequency flowing data is 36. Find out the missing frequency in it. So question number 9. Mode of the flowing data is 36. Find the missing frequency in it. Frequency in it. So we have here table, class interval, right? Class interval. From this side we have frequency. Question number 9, right? So first one we have 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Then we have 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. So this is the class interval. Frequency here given 8, given 10, here blank. Okay, 16, 12, 6, 7. 16, 12, 6, 7. So what we are going to do for this kind of the question, you will see this is regular, so no need to find the conversion factor and change into continuous class interval because it's already continuous. 0 to 10 again starting from 10, here to 10 to 20 again starting from 20. So we know that it's continuous, but we have to, our aim is to find what? This missing frequency. So what I will do, missing frequency dot is given blank, so I will take x. I will write down let missing frequency is equal to x. Now which one is the highest frequency here? If you will see which one is highest frequency, if you will see here, yes, this one, right? So I will write down that maximum frequency equal to 16 correspond to what? correspond to class interval class interval 30 to 40. We write 30 to 40, and therefore what? Therefore model class equal to 30 to 40. Now we have to find what? L, lower limit. What is the lower limit? 30 to 40. Here lower limit will be 30. H is what? Upper limit minus lower limit. So 10 minus 0 will be what? 10. Next, F1 is the frequency greatest. So F1 is what? 16. We will write F1 is equal to 16. Next is what? F0. So before that is F0. So F0 is what? We will take X. Next, F2. So after the model class frequency, okay, maximum frequency. So what is that? F2. So F2 we are getting 2L. We will write F2 equal to 2L. Use the formula mode is equal to what? Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into what? Into H. Okay, next let us see. Put the value L 30. You will write 30 plus F1 how much? 16. You will write 16 minus F0 X. We will write X. Twice of F1. So 2 into F1. So 16. 2 into 16 minus F0. So X. F2 we have 2L into H. So into H is how much? 10. We will write 10. 30 will be 30 plus 16 minus X. We will write 16 minus. Before that, mode is already given in question. How much? Mode of the frequency data equal to 36. So at place of mode we can write 36 plus 16 minus X. We will be writing 16 minus X. Now 16 into 2, 32. 32 minus 2L, we will have how much? We will have 20 minus X into 10. So we are getting this right. We will close the bracket. Next we will have here. Next we will be using this 36 here 30. So what will be 30? Will be bring this side. So it will be 36 minus 30 equal to 16. We have, yes, it's, I will just drop it. It's like this, 16 minus X. So we'll write here 16 minus X. Okay, 30 I have taken other side, so it's become minus 30. 16 minus X by 20 minus X into what? Into 10. 36 minus 30, it will be how much? 36 minus 30, you will be getting 6, right? Equal to multiply now 10 into 16, so it will be 160. 10 into X, it will be 10X by 20 minus X. Next, cross multiply, so this will be multiplied with this. So what I will do, 6 into 20, it will be 120. 6 into X will get 6X. Then 160 will be 160 minus 10X. What we are doing, just nothing is one, cross multiplying here. Okay, and we are getting this. Next, what? X will bring one side. So here we have minus 6X. I will bring this 10X this side, so it will be plus 10X. Here 120, it will go other side, it will be 160 minus 120. Minus 6X, 10X. So we'll get what? 4X is equal to 160 minus 120 will be 40. So X will be what? 40 divided by 4. So it will be 10. So we are getting what? X is equal to 10. So you will write hence what? Missing frequency is equal to 10. Okay, missing frequency we have obtained 10. So I hope you are clear till here. So next question we'll be trying again now. Question number, let us try question number 11. So question number 10 is exactly similar to this one. You will try by yourself. Okay, that will be your homework. Question number 11 we have here. Age in year, okay, in years has been given. Okay, number of cases. So we have here 5 to 14, then 15 to 24, then 25 to 34. We have 35 to 44, then 44 to 45 to 54, and 55 to 64. Next is what here? 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, and then we have so 5, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. So now what we have to do, why I have to make one extra, if you will see this is not continuous, because 5 to 14 again it is starting from 50. So just to make what? Class interval continuous. I'm trying to make the class interval continuous. So 5 to 14. So how I have to make the continuous? Conversion factor. Find the conversion factor. I hope you still remember. You can take any, don't take first one, you can take second one or third one. Which one? Lower limit. So lower limit I will take what? It is 15. Then previous upper limit of previous class interval. So what is the upper limit? So 14. 14 divided by what? 2. So 15 minus 14 we have 1 by 2. It will be what? 0.5. What you have to do to this 0.5? You have to subtract from lower limit and add to the upper limit. So subtract from 5, you will get what? 4.5. 8 this one, so you will get 14.5. Subtract from here, you will get 14.5. 8 here 0.5, you will get what? 24.5. Here you will subtract, you will get 24.5. If you add here, you will get what? 34.5. Here you will be getting 34.5. Next 44.5. 44.5 to what? 54.5. Next 54.5 to 64.5. So by adding and subtracting, adding in upper limit and subtracting in lower limit, we have to get this continuous class interval. Next, what is the step? We have to look for the maximum frequency. What is the maximum frequency here? Which one is maximum? So 23 correspond to the class interval, continuous class interval, right? This one, yes or no? So don't round it. Just if you are interested, you can make one box here. You will write what? Maximum frequency is equal to maximum frequency we had 23 correspond to the class interval, this one. Therefore model class will be what? Therefore model class is equal to, this is the model class, 34.5 to 44.5. then lower limit of model class, so L is equal to 34.5. then what is that? Frequency F1. Find the class size. So class size is upper limit minus lower limit. So 14.5 minus 4.5. So how much you will get? You will be getting 10. Okay. Yes, 14.5 minus 4.5. You will be getting 10. Next is what? Let us find that F1. F1 is what? Frequency of model class. So 23. F0 is just before that. This is F1. So before that is what? F0 we got 21. F2 how much we are getting here? 14. We will write F2 is equal to 14. Use the formula. Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 in bracket into H. Put the value L we have 34.5 plus F1 how much? 20. F1 we have 23 minus F0 21 twice of F1. So twice of F1, so 2 into 23 minus F0 we have 21 minus F2 we have 14 into 8, how much we are getting? 10. So 34.5 will be same, plus 23 minus 21 will be what? 2. 23 into 2, so multiply 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 8, both are minus, you have to add 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 1 3, so we got 35 into 10. Next 34.5 plus 2 will be 2, 46 minus 35, so 6 minus 5 we have 1, then 4 minus 3 also we are getting 1 into 10. Next what we will be getting here, so 34.5, 2 into 10 we will be getting 20 by 11. Divide, how much we will be getting? So we divide 11 and 20, so 11 1 ja 11, we will get 9 points, so we will get 0. 8 times, so 18. 8 we have the 2, then 0, so again 1. So we are getting what? 34.5 plus, yes, we are getting 1.8188. You will get how much? So if you add, how much will get? 34.5 by plus 1.8188. So 1, 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 4 plus 1, 5, 1, 6, and 3 will be 3. So we are getting 36.31 is our answer for question number. We have done question number 11. We have done just now question number 11. So answer we are getting 36.11. We are getting 36.31. Yes, so this is the correct answer. Now let us move to the next question. Okay, we'll be trying next question now. So next question is the long question answer. You can just find what? You can find out the mode. You can find out the mode and the what? Mean by direct method. Okay, same table you can find mode and mean by the direct method. So next class I'll be moving to the median. Okay, question number 12, what we have to do? Question number 12, first find the mode by make this kind of table, find out the mode. Next what? Find out the mean. Mean I have already taught you in the previous exercise 14a. So that way you have to try question number 12. So question for today's class, your homework is what? Your homework is, write down again, I am repeating this. Question number 8, then question number we have 10, and question number 12 and 13. So this will be your homework from exercise 14. It is now we are doing what? Exercise 14b. Okay, we are doing exercise 14b.